Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the song Come Back Home My Little Chicks. The song goes like this. It's a conversation between a bunch of chickens and one little chick. So it goes, come back home my little chick, I won't come, why not? I'm afraid of what? Of the wolf. Where's he hiding? In the woods. What's he doing? Washing. What's he drying his face on? On a kitty cat's tail. So for the game, I have my students sit in a big circle, and then one student gets to be the little chick. The little chick is marching around the circle as the whole group sings to them. So the whole group sings, come back home my little chick, and the little chick keeps marching around singing, I won't come, and it's a back and forth conversation all the way to the end of the song. When it gets to on a kitty cat's tail, the little chick, I'll typically have like a soft, fluffy sort of a ball, or you could use a streamer or any sort of cloth or anything soft that the child will take the kitty cat's tail and wipe it on someone's shoulder. Whoever's shoulder got wiped, they chase the chick around and they're pretending to be the wolf, and the chick tries to get all the way back to the wolf's original spot. So it's very similar to Duck Duck Goose in the sense that they're chasing around the circle. But it's a nice way to hear your students sing individually and really hear if they are using a singing voice or not. If the little chick gets caught, they go into the center of the circle, and I call it the wolf's belly. So they got caught by the wolf. The next time a chick gets caught, the one chick that's in the middle gets to come back out of the circle. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please be sure to check out the lyric and accompaniment video for this song on my channel here under the playlist Lyrics and Accompaniment. Also check out the video Teacher Tips and Tricks for this song. There's a couple extra little things that I like to do to kind of spice it up for my kiddos. So be sure to check those out, and please subscribe and share so you can stay up to date. Thanks. Bye-bye.